So we got snow. What are your thoughts?
Ooh, yay, I don't have to go anywhere. Let it snow, let it
No. And it's still snowing. Or is that just wind? No, it's snowing.
No, it's snowing.
Should we do something out there?
I don't know what.
Well, you can sled down the driveway into the street.
No.
Why not? You did it before.
It's too icy out there.
What?
Well, it's a winter wonderland. And it's freezing. What are your thoughts?
Yesterday I was walking around in short sleeves outside.
Hey, look, a bird. That's weird.
Yeah, it just flew right up to us.
I usually never see birds in the snow.
Oh,
What?
I hurt. Oh, that wind is cold.
Wow, we got a lot. I thought winter was over already.
Apparently not.
And it's really cold. Like, really cold.
It's still funky snow.
What?
It's funky snow. Usually in March you get the wet, heavy snow. Oh, my ears are cold already. Hey, look at that shape.
What? What shape?
I don't know, whatever it is, it's weird.
It's snow. Are you checking the mail?
Nothing.
There's snow in there.
It's cold.
I know. It's pretty cold.
Here's ice.
Oh my! I see icicles in the under the porch.
I can barely see.
The sun's coming out, which means bright and sunny. Look, icicle. Whee! Well, that's weird. It looks like there's paw prints all over here.
What's that?
Come here. Is it just the weather, or like, why is there all these prints?
Oh, that's stuff falling from the trees. Snowflake.
Oh. Well, this is our backyard.
Oh, look.
Oh! It's like wind.
Coming real through. Here it comes again.
Oh, I hear the wind. That means a lot of snow is gonna come, right?
Yeah, I feel the wind.
Oh my god. Whoa, the wind. I've never heard wind like that.
Yeah.
You're freezing, aren't you?
Yeah.
You can't even move. Come on, do some jumping jacks. Can you even jump?
No.
Why?
Too cold. I shatter.
I'm actually not too cold. But you're freezing. Oh my god, look. The wind. Whoa, god. A pile of snow just hit my camera. Whoa. Look. Oh my god, all the snow is falling off the trees.
Yeah.
Look at all the snow that came on my camera.
Jeez.
Well, that was a short adventure.
We'll go back out. It's gonna be hard to hat.
How about we go back out at like 5? After dinner and stuff.
Oh, we can do that.
Well, that was a quick adventure.
Alright, no error this time. I turned off, turned it back on. Well, my snow boots are tan.
Why is the GoPro blinking red? You've had it recording for 4 minutes. Well, it's later in the day. He dressed up warmer. So, should we
So cold.
should we sled down that hill right there? Our own hill.
This one or the one up there?
This one. Well, but we only have one hill.
Yeah, we all the way up there.
No, not all the way up there. But you gotta make sure to slid on that side because here we have those things.
There's rocks over there.
Oh, the snow is a lot harder. Did you realize that?
Yeah, it got colder out.
And it's still super windy. I have an idea. I'll take, wind. I'm gonna take this branch off. I'm gonna get this branch out of the way. We're climbing Mount Everest. You know, it's a Saturday. How come no one is outside in the snow?
Oh. Jeffrey's turn. Oh, I'm right in a picker bush.
What?
I'm in a picker bush.
I know. I think one went in my glove. Should we get rid of these?
I can't now.
I might need your help.
I'm trying to.
One is in my hair.
Here, you get that.
I can't see.
I can't see it.
Oh my god, look at the house. It looks creepy.
Shame it was a nice house.
Ew, the sky is like all blue over there.
Yeah. Storm clouds.
Well, it's gonna snow again?
Might.
So if you buy this property, we'd have all this too. Oh my god. It's cold.
Oh yeah, that's kind of real.
Hey look, the leaves are still green over here. That's weird. My face is like frozen. Why did the trash can fall?
Wind.
Was that just recent? Was that like right when we were in the backyard?
Oh.
Did you feel that? I almost hit the car. You're just like quickly going. Hey, why? What, are you already frozen?
I even dressed warmer. Oh, it's just, no, the wind is tearing my eyeball up. I gotta get back to that down. Yeah, the doctor.
I don't think they did it right.
No, it was tilted. Even said it was tilted.
Was it tilted before the surgery?
No, they took the other one out.
So the other one was tilted, so nothing changed.
The other one dropped. This one is tilted.
So they need to remove it now.
I think so. I'll find out in April.
Ay, ay, ay. Well, that was kind of quick.
I know.
You're frozen, aren't you? Alright guys, got myself a cup of hot cocoa. Because why not, you know? It's the last snow day probably of this winter. Hey guys, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that steamed up my camera. Whoops. It's the next day and he's gonna fly the drone over the neighborhood to see the neighborhood with snow. I don't think any of the snow even melted that much. I don't even see grass.
Yeah, it was pretty cold.
Yeah. But it will be melting later today, so. Hey look, an icicle. Alright, now he's gonna fly the drone to see our neighborhood after a snowstorm. Looks like we don't know where the drone is.
Yeah, it won't show me a picture.
Can you make it go back to home?
I did.
I don't even see it. I don't see it anywhere. I don't see it.
You're doing.
Did we lose Wi-Fi? Okay, so we've lost the drone. I had to go in and get another battery. Where could it have gone? It just like vanished into thin air. What? We gotta wait. For what? I don't know if it's in the air anymore. My dad went back up to get a cigarette. I don't even know what happened. The drone just vanished. I don't even hear it anymore. I still don't hear it.
Yeah.
I don't think it's in the air anymore. But how could it have fallen?
You should know there's nothing high up there.
So then what do you think happened?
It lost signal to the remote.
Well then shouldn't it come back then?
When the battery gets low, I think that.
Should we walk up?
Yeah.
Just to at least see if we can hear it anywhere. Or could it just be flying by itself?
Yeah.
Oh, this hill's too steep.
Oh my god.
Well, there's that house. That window's open. It's like climbing Mount Everest. That looks like the house that was last over.
Huh?
Look, that house. That triangular roof, it looks like the last place it was over. I don't see anything in the sky. Well, I'm looking over here and all I see is just...
It should be to the left.
I don't see it in the sky anywhere over there.
Yeah.
Do you think it fell?
I don't know.
There's no one outside either that we could ask. Did a UFO take it? What?
Stop beeping.
Uh-oh. What? Well, that means it died, which means it would have been home, right? Maybe it got stuck in a tree.
I had it way above the trees.
It just like vanished.
Yeah, well, we're at a high point still.
Well, that doesn't make any sense.
Keep listening.
I don't hear it at all.
Oh, we're done now. The remote died.
The remote died now?
Yeah.
So there's no way to get it now. Unless we just find it.
Yeah, check to find that. No, the none.
Maybe it is in one of those trees. That's the only thing I could think of.
If I had it up way above the trees.
Then what would have happened? It fell?
It lost contact to Wi-Fi and just kept going. So unless its battery runs low, it should automatically come home. That's 30 minutes.
So we lost it. I want to go up the hill and see if I see anything anyways. What's a shame, guys, is I could have filmed more of what happened if my battery wasn't dead. The one that I put in this camera. That's kind of a shame because it was a good drone. There's that creepy house. I don't see it anywhere over here. Look at that creepy house. I don't see it anywhere either. I don't understand. Where could it have gone? Okay. Now it's getting slippery over here. I'm crawling with a camera that could probably break if I drop it in the snow. Now I'm kind of scared because I don't want to drop my camera. Because then that's another piece of equipment to lose. But it's a little slippery here because it's downward. I also can't see. Okay, why did I do this? I don't see it in the trees either. Guys, what do you think happened? Was it something supernatural? Was it something to do with aliens? I don't understand. I'm trying to go down this snowy mountain because if I slip, I could drop this camera. What an amazing snow day. We were gonna sled maybe a couple times, but I don't feel like it because now we just lost the drone. What's going on?
It's not finding the Wi-Fi from it, so it must have just broke the Wi-Fi connection.
Well, then shouldn't it know the last GPS location?
It should.
You're just looking at the settings of the phone.
Yeah. That's really good battery. Alright, 5 minutes and we're gonna go take a drive.
Take a drive?
Yeah.
To where?
Around the block, see if I can pick up a Wi-Fi signature.
Oh. Alright, we're now going for a drive to try and find the drone. He said I should look at the phone for, it wouldn't say sudden link, would it?
No.
Oh.
SGS.
SGS, okay. So, we're gonna try to find it, if possible.
Then we just look and see if anybody posts drone found.
They wouldn't keep it for themselves?
They don't have a remote control for it.
Oh, that's true. I don't see any SGS. Well, this is all new. We've never been around here.
Yeah, we have.
We have?
Yeah.
I don't remember it.
Might be in that goalie way down there. That was a bird. I thought I saw it.
Oh boy, where are we?
That's what I said when nobody else comes.
I hope we can find our way back. Ooh, what was that?
Snow.
This is a skinny driveway. That house was abandoned.
Yeah.
I hope there was nothing important on that memory card that I put in.
I know.
Well, at least that was an interesting day, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it's not even afternoon. Oh wait, it's
12:00.
Oh, so the car's time is off.
Yeah.
Because of the daylight savings time. Ew. Why do they still do that? What are your thoughts?
We need another drone.
So, your final thoughts?
We need another drone.
You already said that already.
You know what's funny?
What?
I was looking at Amazon last night and I put a drone in the cart.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Maybe you doomed that drone that we had by doing that.
Maybe.
You shouldn't have done it.
I'm cold.
I'm actually warm.
Well, my hands are cold. They were.
Oh yeah, because you had the cigarette and the remote. Well guys, it's the next day and it looks like most of the snow is melting. This is the last we're probably going to see any snow for a while, unless we get some kind of crazy storm in April. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I find it pretty sad that we lost the drone. I know it sounds weird, but I kind of feel bad. Like, that poor drone is just somewhere random. I don't know what happened. It's kind of confusing because as soon as it just went past the house, it just disappeared into thin air. I didn't hear it anymore. My dad thinks it just went off to a distant land. But if you think about it, we might be able to find it if we put signs up, because what's the point in someone keeping the drone if they can't operate it without our remote? So they might as well give it to the people that are looking for it. Plus, if we find it, it's just, we're saving money. And plus, it was a good drone. It worked pretty well. It was all we needed. What gets me is we already have flew it over the city in the cold air. We've already flew it over our neighborhood in the summer, I think, and it never lost connection. But yeah, we lost it. So I don't know why I don't know why it lost connection this time. I haven't even checked to see if we have any footage of it. So if there was no footage, then you guys will already know. I haven't even checked to see if the footage is still there. We have to like connect the phone, my dad's old, actually no, it's my phone, my old phone, but my dad used it, so it's his old phone too. I have to connect that to my computer to see if it recorded anything. But another sad thing is that was like one of the first things we bought after the fire. Like that was like the first major purchase. And the reason why is because I wanted to do a video where we flew the drone over Ashwood, and that got 1,500 views. And then another 1,500 views in the Snowstorm. So yeah, I wish we had it, but we don't. And I don't know, maybe we'll go looking for it. I don't know, who knows, maybe someone will find it and bring it to us. I have no idea. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like if you liked the video, subscribe if you're brand new to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.